In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook to Hootsuite with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're managing social media for your business or just want a streamlined way to keep your personal profile in order, Hootsuite can be a powerful tool. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to hootsuite.com and log in. Ensure you have admin access to the Facebook page you're planning to connect. This is crucial because without this level of access, Hootsuite won't be able to manage the page's posts and settings. Once logged in, you'll need to access the social network's settings in Hootsuite. You do this by clicking your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down that appears, choose either My Profile or Social Networks and Teams, whichever is available. There, you'll find an option labeled Add a Social Network. Click it to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to select the social network you want to add. From the list, go ahead and select Facebook. You'll see two options appear: Facebook Profile for personal use and Facebook Page for business purposes. It's important to note that Hootsuite is primarily optimized to work with Facebook pages when scheduling and posting, so if you're using Hootsuite for your business or organization, that's the route you'll want to go. Afterward, a Facebook login window will pop up. Simply enter your Facebook credentials to proceed. You will then be asked to grant Hootsuite permissions to manage your pages and post content on your behalf. Make sure to agree to these permissions, as it's the key step that allows Hootsuite to communicate with your Facebook account. You will then see a list of Facebook pages associated with your profile. Choose the pages you want to connect to Hootsuite and click either Done or Connect. To ensure everything is set up correctly, go back to My Profile and then Social Networks. You should see your Facebook page listed as connected. This confirms that you've successfully linked your Facebook account to Hootsuite. Once you see that everything is in order, you're ready for the final step. Now that your account is set up, you can start posting. Within Hootsuite, tap on Create Post. This will allow you to select your connected Facebook page. From there, craft your post by adding text, images, videos, links, or even hashtags that you want to appear. You have the flexibility to either schedule the post for later or publish it immediately, right from the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully added Facebook to Hootsuite. With this setup, you'll be able to efficiently manage your social media content and align your posting schedules with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!